Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Dead Space game crashing, won't launch, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. So the first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen first, then now press on menu button on controller, then select quit. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cache data. Open settings and choose device and connections. Click on Blu-ray. Now select persistent storage and then select clear persistent storage. Next method is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, select settings, then choose network settings. Now click on test network connection. Then wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next method is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next is to check for Dead Space update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after the game is updated, try to launch the game and check. Next is to clear cache of Dead Space game. For that, press Xbox guide, then click on My Games and Apps and tap on See All option. Here search for Dead Space game, then press menu, then choose Manage Games and Add-ons and then tap on Save Data Reserved Space. Finally tap on Clear Reserved Space. Next method is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on Settings under Profile and System. Next go to Account and click on Remove Accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select Remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. For that, press open settings on your Xbox and choose system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and then click on it to begin the updating process and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next solution is to check storage. For that, go to Xbox button, then go to Profile and System, then click on Settings, then click on System and then click on Storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused tabs or games to create space. Next is to reinstall Dead Space. So for that, press Xbox button controller, then move to My Games and Apps, then select See All option. Here select Dead Space, then press menu button, then select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Dead Space official website and download the game and then check if it is working now. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will resolve it from their end and you will be able to play the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.